आपका नाम and where do you stay?
Abhishek, and we stay in this building. We are facing a couple of issues with the ventilation because this particular construction is coming up here, and we have the perception that the construction might come up on the entire road, and once that happens, then we'll have a ventilation and a light problem coming up here. So that is a major point of contention. And when we moved in '92, then this particular land, which is now claimed as land, it was exactly the road. It's a common road to be used for all the people of Indrapuri. So the constructions are coming up here. So I think you would probably like to add some point here.
आपका नाम, sir, your full name?
My name is Apresh Banerjee.
And where are you staying?
I'm staying in the first floor.
Okay.
Say, even in the plan which has been approved by the MCD, it has clearly mentioned that my building is a three-side open, and this is clearly shown that this is as a road. And now the construction has started, which is creating a problem for me. If the construction start here, the road is already blocked now. See, one building has already constructed there, and one building is already constructed here also.
When you
The road
shifted
is
here,
not blocked.
please tell me, when you shifted here, how was the road like? Tell me that.
I here on 1992. That time I used to come from this road, and I used to go to the airport, and everybody, not only me, the total Indrapuri, all were used to use this road. Now suddenly that has started. Now this has started. The road is blocked. Even I tell you, during the rainy season also, now there is there will be no water to go, because this side in a sloping, so there will be a problem.
We've
We'll face
raised
the
this
problem.
concern with the MCD earlier also, but there hasn't been any action taken on that. I mean, we have kind of given up now because we have tried to do it ample number of times. When there is nobody to hear, there's no point saying. Whenever it rains, we just put some mud or something like that there. That's it.